Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Jake from TodaysiPhone.com, and here's the TIP Daily for August 31st, 2012. Okay, so really quick to start off, Mac Rumors created a really cool video showing users just what an iPhone with a 4-inch screen will look like, and how certain apps will run and how the home screen will look and the lock screen. And it's really cool, and at this point, it seems pretty certain that the next-gen iPhone will have a 4-inch display. So this is a great way to check it out and see what you're in for if you are planning on buying the iPhone 5. Now, one thing that's kind of unfortunate is that applications that aren't built or updated to support the bigger screen will probably have some sort of letterboxing on the top and the bottom to fill in the extra space. I guess that's sort of unavoidable, but hopefully Apple builds in super easy upgrade support in the SDK so developers can make their applications 4-inch screen compatible ASAP. Okay, now moving on, nowhereelse.fr posted a bunch of really cool pictures today comparing a model or mock-up of the iPhone 5 to the iPhone 3GS and the iPhone 4. Now, even though this isn't a working model of the iPhone 5, it's really cool to see it compared with the older iPhone models, just because, we can see these leaked pictures and these leaked parts and stuff, and they can only tell us so much without comparing them to a device that we already know and are familiar with. So that's why these comparisons are really cool, and if you're interested, you can check it out in the link in the description down below. Okay, and finally, as most of you probably know, one of the biggest new features in iOS 6 is the redesigned App Store and iTunes Store and stuff. And most of you probably don't have iOS 6 just because it's in the developer beta right now, but it is coming out in September, which is super cool. But if you just can't wait to see the new stuff in iOS 6, Cam posted a video today detailing the changes in the design and the way the App Store looks and feels and works. And it's really cool, and it's a great way to prepare yourself and familiarize yourself with the new App Store before you get it on your devices in September. Okay, well that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Before we're going to leave you with a question of the day, and that is, what is your favorite type of iPhone 5 story? Do you like these mock-ups that aren't really working or really even from legitimate sources, but help you see how the iPhone 5 will look and feel? Do you like leaks from the supply chain and leaked components and that sort of thing? Or do you like stories about release date and that kind of thing? So you can let me know in the comment section down below or on Twitter at TIP_Jake. Please don't forget the links to everything I talked about in this video in the description down below, so definitely check those out. And as always, for more news, views, and reviews, please head over to TodaysiPhone.com.